Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create, rename, and delete categories on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click on the Server dropdown to open the Server menu. Click Create Category, and a Create Category modal opens. Type your category name in the field. For this example, I'm typing Me. Then click Create Category. The new category appears in your server's channel list. Right-click on the category to open its context menu. Click Edit Category, and the Category Settings page opens. Click into the Category Name field and type your new name. I'm changing it to Myself. Click Save Changes to apply the rename. Click the X button to return to your server view with the renamed category visible. Right-click on the category again to open the context menu. Click Delete Category and a confirmation modal appears. Click Delete Category in the modal to permanently remove it from your server. You can drag existing channels directly onto a category to move them inside it. If you accidentally delete a category, the channels inside it move back to the main list. They won't be deleted along with it. Category permissions can be set separately from individual channel permissions, which is useful for organizing private sections of your server. To collapse or expand a category, just click the arrow next to its name. And that's how to create, rename, and delete categories on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.